is the 1 by 1 column. You click on it, it will take you outside the section box. Now, or you can't leave it here. All you need to do is to click and drag it into the header section and place it there. As you can now see, you have the column, the 1 by 1 column, inside the header section. The 1 by 1 column, which is already inside the header section. Now, it's important for you to note that these other columns, they are just a quick avenue for you to achieve what you want, but you can actually achieve these other columns by shortening this 1 by 1 column. How do you do this? It's very simple. Look at this arrow, you click on it, it shortens. It will give you 3 by 4, which you already have at the top here. Once you click it again, it will take you to 2 by 3, which is also here. Once you click it again, it will give you 1/2, which is here. This means that you can duplicate. Once you click on the duplicate key, you have duplicate icon. You already have 2 of these particular columns in this section. Now, once this is done, you've gotten what you want. Maybe you want the 3 by 4 or the 2/3 or 1/6, as the case may be. You can now proceed to edit your column like we did in this header section, which you have same icons represented here. You can go on to edit the column by clicking the edit button. It will bring you here. The first thing you see is the default spacing. Do you want it to be with the default spacing? If yes, you leave it, or if you want it to change, you click no. And then this gives you the option to give an additional styling, additional spacing to your column. It can be at the top. You just give it a number as you would wish. It can be from the far right too. Give it a number as you would wish also. And then at the bottom, same thing. To the left, same thing. The height of every column. The column comes with a specific height. But after using the column and you feel that you don't like it, you can also place it at a custom height, which is required that you put in the height of the pixels that you would want. And then you can also, it gives you the option to add a color to a particular column within the section. And then it gives you, it's either you add a color or an image to that column, or you leave it at none too. The next is a border. Once you click on it, it gives you, if you want to add a border to your column, you place it at yes. And then what will be the size of the border you want to create? It's either you place in any number you want, and then it will give you as you wish. And then it gives you also the option to add a color to that border. There are many colors here. If these ones that are here doesn't fit your text, you can click here to select from this plate. There are many colors, as you can see. The more you click, the more colors you get from the plate. And then once you're done with this, you can also add a shadow. This shadow can be vertical, can also be horizontal, can be blur, and then next on it is the animation. Every column as it is found here gives you an option to animate it or you leave it as default. Once you click here, you see an option. You scroll down to see all the animations available. You see the bounce, the flash, the pause, the bounce out, down, as many as. What you just do is to pick them, save, and then preview to see their features and how beautiful they look. Next is a responsive behavior. This particular setting is to make it responsive whenever a client or a viewer is using a phone to view your site. If it's not set on this responsive part, you see that your site will not be showing well when used with another device other than a PC or a laptop. These are the settings. You just have to go through them and set them to your taste. You close, and then once you're done, you just save.